Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be about how to remove cradle cap from a newborn's hair. But before we get into the video, I just want to wish everyone a happy new year. Thank you guys so much for your continuous support. I really do appreciate it. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. Let's get into it. So I'm going to give you a quick rundown on what cradle cap really is, what not to do, how to treat and soothe it in your newborn or your baby. So for starters, a cradle cap is a common skin condition found in newborn and babies that causes rough patches on their scalp. Now, as a first-time mom, it can be pretty frightening, but don't worry, there are treatments here for it. The second thing I want to talk to you about is what not to do while your child has a cradle cap. So do not pick a cradle cap while it's dry. Do not pick a cradle cap while it's dry. It's best to moisturize a cradle cap before you think about removing it. And I'm going to tell you what I use when I remove my child's cradle cap. And that is when I moisturize it. I don't go ahead and pick the cradle cap without moisturizing it. So I'm going to give you the tips on what I did and what I use. As a first-time mom, there was a lot of things that I did not know. Most times I had to go ahead and do my own research. When I come up with a product and it works wonders for my child hair or her skin, that's what I stick to. So for washing her hair, I use this product, and I've been using this product since she was a newborn up until this moment. And this is what I use to wash her hair up until this day. It works wonders for her. After washing my daughter's hair, I normally use a soft towel to dry her hair properly. After drying out her hair, I normally go through her hair section by section and I moisturize her scalp. And I normally use this petroleum jelly Vaseline to moisturize her scalp and help to remove the cradle cap. Not only that, it helps in moisturizing the scalp, it smells really good. So when I moisturize the scalp, I normally go ahead and massage, give her head a proper massage. In doing so, this not just helps to soothe the baby's scalp, it helps to lift the cradle cap off the scalp. That alone now gonna do it, of course. So I go ahead and gently use one of her comb and lift it gently. Lift it from the scalp. So in addition to the petroleum jelly, you can also use the A&D ointment if the cradle cap is on your child's forehead or it's behind their ears. So this is the A&D that I use, because my daughter had it on her forehead, so I use the A&D to remove it from there. Now we've come to the end of this video. I do hope this video was very informative and I trust that you guys learned something. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Until next time, bye!